this is the intake here. I'll get the video on how to install it in a minute.
Damn. Parts.
They even give you a big can filter here. See?
So we're doing a shot day at Mike's, and I'm gonna install an intake, I guess.
Yep.
So we're here. Mike cleaned out his garage a little bit,
Don't mind the mess. You gotta take it for a while.
and
Oh, by the way, if you want the cleaning products, they might be a little old, but you can take.
the OEM. These are OEM, right? Like OEM Plus.
This is OEM Plus. Yeah. This
OEM
is literally
Plus.
Just but they were out of stock.
So it's just more air.
Air volume.
Yeah.
Don't get rid of the diaper there and the
Yeah.
emissions, you know. But what's up, girl?
I think we did that to this one already, right?
Yeah.
Took the diaper thing off. Whatever.
I swear it's
That
here in the
cloth.
box somewhere if I didn't toss it.
So that's gonna go there like that. Try to make it look nice. No promises. Taking the intake off.
The neighbor with the Corvette over there has it. He's got a supercharged C7 making like 600 wheel. What you got there? Oh, she's on a bed. That's so awesome.
You're gonna hear me chewing in this video.
That's all right.
Probably put music over it or something. If not, you're just gonna hear us blabbering in the back. But
Right?
just trying to figure out how to take this off.
There should be like a little grommet piece somewhere.
I need a extension. If you have one.
Yeah, give me a second.
I actually have.
I got my chaotic tools here. My chaotic assortment of tools. See, this is what I need. I need like a. Depends what size you need.
What size? Oh. You said you need a size? What size?
Bring me the small one, the quarter.
Just rip it off. This is what I need. I need it.
the longest extension in the world. Yeah, it's not even that long.
Do you have the 4K on?
Is it on?
I don't know. Let me.
Yeah, we're not doing nothing crazy because it's gonna fill up the memory. So that's
I can build some on mine too.
Yeah, eventually we have to pop this guy off.
This is loose. Hold on.
Yep. You just gotta take the math. You gotta take the unit for the math off.
Yeah, we gotta unscrew that as well.
If we need to take this bar off, there's a 8. I think it's an 8. Or we can just take a screwdriver and take that off. Yeah, because we can.
I got it.
Okay, there we go.
Finagle it. Finagle.
Don't lose any of the things.
That's a real word. I think.
It is.
Finagle.
Finagle.
Finagle. Don't worry, Mike.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not worried. I'm just taking this.
Don't worry, Mike. We're gonna finagle
You're
it.
gonna finagle it off, dude.
Exactly. I'm not worried. We do have to take the. You have to get that part off.
Let me use my brain here.
Okay.
So one important thing you gotta do with this, take this crap out. You take the little flathead, you pry it out. I already did it ahead of time, but give me a second. It's kind of like getting stuck back in there, but yep. Why is this doing this? Ah, well. Look how thick this is. This is supposed to be for emissions. You know what you do with this? Here, follow me, Bree. I'm gonna show you exactly what you do with this.
Wait a minute.
Boom.
In the garbage. Oh.
What's up, Mama?
she's like, how come I come on?
All the cool parts here. And look how, also, since we're here, look at the size of the stock unit here, right? Hold on. This is all, look at the stock unit, right? This is the intake box. Look at the size difference. We gotta take these little grommets out later. But you're getting so much more volume. You don't have a resonator. It's all one big continuous tube.
You telling him to play with you?
I'll play with you in just a second.
Oh. She's busy. She wants to work on cars too, but the little ones.
She'll get there.
Small dude.
I got a punch tool if you ever need one, by the way. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna tiny screwdriver. Yeah, if you ever want to
Are you
bring
filming? Filmer Bree. Again, I wish working on my car was this easy. So.
This is what the final product looks like, by the way. They just, I don't know if that's a GR logo on it.
Okay.
But yeah, you basically got it there. I'll look for, like, I'll go back to the video if you want. I'm just showing you what.
No, that's all I need to see. Bree's all up in my grill.
Remember when Prime German used to do more than just like, hey,
Everyone's
here's
gonna make fun of
t-shirts?
us in the comments. You guys suck at working on cars.
Yes.
This is like a
No, the funniest thing is gonna be Mike with this little thing away from it.
boom.
Or when he
Oh,
went to
yeah.
the garbage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you gotta just let people know what it is. Because
We used to make cool install videos and get made fun of on the internet. Now we're adults and we're making weird install
Adult
videos.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, that sounds wrong.
remember, no one else is doing it.
Adult money now. We got adult money.
Yep. Oh, by the
This
way,
is adult money right here.
I don't know if she'll match, but here's
That look, that's adult money right there.
You want it?
Bruh.
All yours, man.
What? What is this? Oh, the battery?
I tried to
Hell
do it
yeah.
last night, but you see how the thing is?
What'd you say I need?
Where's your thing?
What'd you say?
Don't you need that for your car? It's all carotid.
She said mine's carotid, guys. Yeah, mine definitely needs
What's
to
the
be
word?
replaced. Mike's about to go
What's
look
the
at
word?
it. Huh? Corroded.
Whatever, bruh. It was like
You
the
gotta
same
film
shit.
your face. That's funny. Oh man.
Oh, yeah, jeez.
Yeah.
She wants to show Mike. Record
Mike,
me.
look.
I love the-
Try this one.
All right.
I told you.
Hey!
I feel like this is the round one.
Hello.
You look.
You got Sonic. Oh,
What's up,
an Umbreon. What's up, Mike? How are you?
Yeah.
Chips?
They're all for
Grab
you.
it. Put them in there. That's the best flavor though.
I know. I love that one.
I think it's too thick.
It's too thick.
She's too thick, dude. She's way in every way it could go. So I'm gonna watch the video and see what the hell I'm not doing. That's right. But yeah. That's
And
where we're
cut.
at.
Add more sound, so since it's NA, right?
What?
Is it gonna like sound different, or is it just gonna?
It's gonna
feel-
sound.
Yeah.
It's gonna sound different. It's gonna have more power through the
Got a
band.
hand cramp.
I don't know shit.
I'm trying to take this goddamn rabbit.
I think there's an easier way. I saw a video on how to do it. I just don't know.
This guy with the videos, dude. I just fucking figured out.
YouTube
I
mechanic.
did watch the video and I think I put it in the right way. But
So this sensor goes
Like
to nothing
this.
now, right?
no, that goes to there.
Oh,
That's the
oh,
map
shit.
sensor.
Damn.
This
Dude,
guy.
I don't have sensors on
Map
mine.
sensor. You have
Yeah.
map sensor.
Not on my intake. When I got a new one, it didn't have one.
You
Bro.
have.
It's probably like after the fact.
I mean, you
Like,
can delete it.
Because
but you
Sean's
have
had
to
an
tune it
intake
out.
too. I mean,
Anyway.
Sean did.
Yeah.
PCV, I'm pretty sure, whatever. Some guy's gonna be like, that's the freaking oil control, airflow, blah blah, whatever. PCV, mass airflow sensor. You need that so it can run. Without that, it runs like a bag of dicks, or it probably doesn't run at all.
Bro, you gotta look at mine after.
But anyway, we got it in. I
Find
gotta
that shit.
put these grommets in here and just tighten this thing up, and she should be done. And she should start. If she doesn't start, it's his fault. I'm not putting the stock one back in.
Once you have them slidden out,
I got it, Mike. I got it already. Jesus. This guy's
Sorry,
over
I'm
here
just-
watching YouTube
I'm just trying
University,
to
dog.
get, it looks great so far. By the way.
YouTube University, bro.
Hey,
YouTube mechanic.
I didn't grow up with that and the flashlight, you know. I will admit.
I grew up with his dad, but he didn't hold tools, so.
Oh yeah. No, my dad had other ways to.
He's not fatherless.
These are the spicy ones.
You want to try one? Try one. If you don't like it, give it to me.
Yeah, this way I can
The
just,
middle
like,
one.
pop right
Oh.
in.
Come on, don't be stubborn.
Gotta lube her up.
Or maybe I'm doing it directionally.
It doesn't matter. We should trim that bitch a little bit.
Fishbowl.
Trim her down, she's a little tight.
There you
A little tight.
We're or. Well, one guy did is he slid this piece down to here to make it easier. Hey, it looks great though.
That's definitely look good.
What's up?
You know how to get like the Chaos Emerald in the casino?
Oh yeah. Hold on a minute.
Do you
Why didn't I
have to
stay
keep
here?
gambling?
Oh, we're just.
Are you learning about cars?
I am. He's teaching me.
What, wait,
So
hold
I'm
on.
telling him.
Hold on, what's that?
That's your interview.
Alright, there you go. I heard you. I was like, did he get it right, dude? Alright, Mike's gonna start her up.
Let me know when you got recorded.
Go ahead. No lights,
Just a tire pressure, but that's a different story.
but there's no engine.
Oh, no way.
Okay. Alright, you're good. We'll cut it. She's good. She runs. She revs up. I would say she's installed. And Mediana's got a whole car collection.
It's a Lamborghini. No,
Yana, come on.
Ferrari.
No, you're shy? Okay, it's alright. Well, she's got a little car meet going on here. So put your favorites down in the comments. I'd say the dually.
Look
The
at
old
this.
school Chevy dually, bro. Ooh, that's a nice Porsche. These are pretty cool.
Nah, this is like it's a Ferrari.
Damn. These are probably Mike's cars since he was a kid.
They really are. But you know what? I don't care.
Oh, the little Model A, Model T thing. I don't know what it's called in GTA. A little Toyota truck.
Mercedes.
It's whistling diesel with the engine in the
This
back.
looks
You know
like
what I
that
mean?
Mercedes I bought not too long ago.
Yeah. Little coupe. Little coupe. Is that a tow truck or a pickup?
What?
That blue one right there. Okay, we'll pick up. All right, he gave me the honors, so
Bro.
let's see if I can.
Hold on, watch me. And I love it because it's like, look how clean this is.
Oh yeah, there
What's
we
up,
go.
Bam Bam?
She's installed, baby. All right, Eli, check it out. This is the hangout. This is Mike's hangout right here.
This is fucking sick. No, this is
Yo.
actually sick as hell.
Hell yeah.
Big pool.
Right there. That's all the games.
Oh, hell
All the
consoles.
games are in here, and then all the consoles are over there. But I mean,
Dude, I got like everything.
yeah.
Yo, there's my old drag racing helmet. Yo, there's my old racing helmet right here. I haven't
Damn.
used it in forever, but I would love to use this shit.
Damn.
Hell yeah. Well, now you got the car. Take it to the
Exactly.
track.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
About to get 30
I
burgers
just
from White
told,
Castle.
3 of you could sleep up in there.
Dude, this is just the guest room.
Yeah, maybe hold it that way. So
That's crazy.
sister.
The vibe, bro. What? Not the bidet. It's crazy.
Yo, you got a signed by.
Yeah.
No way. Scarface?
That's crazy. Damn, it's changed. Wait, it's changed in here. This is Mike's bedroom. I don't know if we could show this, but if he lets me put this clip in, this is Mike's bedroom. So
There's a
pretty.
TV by the back, so you can see something. You
Hey, yo, what?
He's done
No wonder why Mike be taking so long to get everywhere.
done a lot of activities.
Yeah.
Yo,
This
look at
is sick. The bridge, dude. With a Mustang, it's got a 302, an R34, and a little 911 on it.
Yeah, that's his
That's
bed.
crazy. It's got the Fast and Furious. Is that signed? Oh, Ricky Styles. That's cool.
It's his bed.
Nice.
He be sleeping there.
Little
Want to see
86ers.
Uncle Mike's baby?
Why did I listen?
That's
Uncle
good.
Mike.
That was my turn, little bro.
Oh, nah, son.
It's my turn.